everybody, welcome to the channel. I'm not going to talk right the way through the video, you'll be pleased to know. We just need to answer a few questions what we got asked on our previous video, especially where is the square. So what we're going to do is we'll get down to Cucharas and we'll break off from the beaches. We'll take you up to the square, show you where it actually is, how to access it, and we'll have a few lagers while we're there before we return back to the beaches. So let's jump right in. Just after you pass the Villa Toledo, you come to the shorter route which you can take you straight into Costa Teguise. If you see there the people on the left, that path leads you straight into the town and there's no reason to follow the coastal path. But obviously for the purposes of the video, we're going to leave that path alone today and we're going to carry on round to the right and keep on with the coastal path. The beach you can see there in front of you, that is Cucaras, just after the first lot of shops you've walked past. And as promised, now we're going to show you how to access the square. So you would walk straight down, straight to the main road, keeping the beach on your right, and then about 200 yards up the road, it's a slight incline, not too bad, you will come to the entrance of the square. As you can see there, the marker's popped up, that's where we were in the video, and that's where we've got to. This part of the street, you can't miss it. There's loads of entrances to the square, but this is one of the main ones. Pretty quiet on the afternoon, but this is where you want to be on the night time. This is the heart of Costa Teguise, mostly known as the square, but it does have an official name. It's a lot busier on a night. This is early evening, and that's its official name, Pueblo Marinero. There's loads goes on round here. Entertainment, you've got sports bars, restaurants, you name it, it's here. Some nice little quiet bars which we're going to call in shortly. But definitely a place where you need to head, and that's how you access it. Stop the video if you need to, double check so you know for next time. So we're going in here on the afternoon. As you can see, it's quite different, and now it's lager time.
Cheers, thank you.
Lovely, thank you. Bluebells were in, 3 lagers later, and now we'll carry on with the video. Cucaras. Enjoy the rest of the video. that's us coming to the end of the video now. If you've enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, it helps the channel out massively. And if you don't wish to miss out on any more of our videos, hit the subscribe button and don't forget that notification bell and you'll be notified when they put on. Our next video coming up is the car hire day in Lanzarote, and thank you for watching.